Alright, hi guys.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to another Costco finds.
I'm Kimmy.
I'm Eric, and this is the Winix. So this is the air purifier that's available at Costco, and as you probably know, there are other versions as well. Different versions, a different color, but this is the one we got.
So we bought it on sale for $99.99, so $100, and usually it's $129.99. And from what we've noticed, it's been on sale quite frequently. So if you do see it, I guess you could wait till it's on sale. Unless you really need it, you can get it then.
So the filters also go on sale as well. So I think it's like a manufacturer sale. So both items go on sale. So the filter would be $34.99 instead of $49.99, which is a pretty big difference.
So we're here today to tell you what we think about it because we've had it for almost a year now. And we actually opened it up to see how the filter was because we noticed it's been a long time. And when we opened it, it was gross, which made us realize, wow, this works.
Yeah, so we don't actually know if this product works because you're not actually able to tell. So the only way you know it's doing work is because you open it and the filter is disgusting.
Right, because I've always wanted an air purifier, but like in my head, I always thought, it's gonna make the air super purified and it's gonna like feel different, but it really doesn't.
We're not really allergic to anything, so that might be a reason why we don't really notice it as much.
So where we live, the air quality outside is actually not the best. So it's good to have this to help purify the air inside here. And then on top of that, we have 2 dogs. So it helps collects dandruff, dust, dog hair, which is able to be seen on our filter.
Yeah, and a big reason why we got it too was because we're now working at home.
Right.
So since we're at home, we figured, clean up the air a little bit since we're gonna be in there
All the time, yeah. So since we've got this, we've been running it 24/7, so like all day, and it's just been in the same spot or like the same area since we've gotten it.
Yeah, so we actually run it on automatic. You have 3 modes and 4 modes: low, medium, high, and the automatic. So we just leave on automatic, and it'll just run according to how it thinks, how dirty the air is, and it'll let you know from the colors above. It'll be a red, yellow, or blue. So right now it's at blue,
Right now
so it's
blue.
actually very low.
But when we first plugged it in, because we actually moved it here on the table to show you guys, it was red.
Yeah, so when it's red, it picks up speed.
Right, so that would be the loudest when it's red, but even when it's red, it's actually not that loud. Like, you can't even tell. Sometimes we'll be sitting down watching TV and it'll go off, and it's kind of like, what's that noise? But it's not like something.
Yeah,
Like,
don't really.
how do I explain that? Like, it's not something that noticeable. It's just like a white noise sound.
Yeah, and then at night, it does the same thing, except only the light turns off, and then only a small white LED will turn on, letting you know it's in night mode.
Right.
Yeah, just in case it's in the room, it might be too bright for you while you sleep.
So it is small. It doesn't do that big of an area. It's meant for a small area, so maybe for like a small room. We have it downstairs in our living room, just trying to get a good flow of air.
Yeah, and we live by the freeway as well, so try to
Keep
catch
the dust.
the dust. So it's been a year, and we have the app on our phone, and the app actually lets you know when you need to change the filter. It's been a year, and it still hasn't told us to change the filter,
No,
even though it's filtered.
currently at 23% still, and it's almost been a year. We're like 2 months, 1 month shy.
Yeah.
And we can't believe it's lasted that long.
Yeah, so you don't have to actually worry about changing the filter too frequently. And then we also hear that some people just clean out the filter, but we don't know what happens to the sensor, or like how does it know when you need to change the filter if you clean it out that way.
Right.
So from our experience, we don't actually use the app only just to check the filter status, because other than that, it just tells you the air quality.
Inside and outside though.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And it is You can connect it to Alexa, I guess, if it's in your room and you don't want it on because you might think it's too loud. I guess you could always turn it off with Alexa. We don't do that, so it's honestly just there on automatic, 24/7, doing its job, and it's doing a good job.
Yep. So we would recommend it just based off of how much it's filtered out, and you can see on the filter how dirty it is.
Can we show them?
Oh yeah.
And we'll show you what the filter looks like currently before we change it. Or actually, I think we might actually try and clean it and see if we can reuse it. That'd be cool because the filters are actually kind of pricey. But I think it would be better to just get a new one because then it's a fresh start.
Mm-hmm.
I would get another one of these to put in another room because I think it does help a little bit at least. Better than nothing. Yeah,
these days, with COVID and stuff, I noticed there's been a lot more different purifiers popping up.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, if you're in the market for a small air purifier, we would recommend this. We did get it at Costco. We do see it in and out of Costco. It's not there all the time, but when it is there, it does go on sale for what we got it for, $100.
Yeah, so overall, we do recommend it. Mm-hmm. And that was a quick little
review.
Our experience.
A 1-year update too, I guess.
Please, if you can, like and subscribe for more Costco finds and whatnot.
Yeah, we like to do a lot of reviews.
Especially on the items we like.
Just our honest, personal reviews, how we feel about it. Not necessarily professional.
Yeah, not in depth, it's just our personal experience.
Right. And just to give you a friend's point of view. I guess that's it.
All right. See you guys next time.
Thanks for watching. Bye.